Wells Electronic focus on PCBA-OEM, ODM, located in Shenzhen, China. After many years of development, Wells PCBA has now become an electronic processing and manufacturing service provider. PCB manufacturing, component sourcing, SMT manufacturing, testing and assembly as a whole. Through professional engineering team and mature supply chain support, the company can provide reliable support for fast implementation of customers' products. So far, we have served over 1,000 customers in over 30 countries. Wells, with the leading production equipment, quality control testing equipment, and high standards of anti-static, dust-free workshop production environment, makes our product process getting to advanced world level. Strict control for each production process ensure high quality and stability of each product. We pay attention to every details. Wells PCBA have been selected as the Excellent Partner of the Year by numerous well-known enterprises and won many domestic and authorized certifications at home and abroad, such as Chinese High-Tech Project Certification, ISO 9001, and Customized COC of CE, FCC, and other product certifications according to customers' requirements. Millions of circuit board is produced here every year, which provides service for automotive electronics, medical electronic, power communications, industrial automation, intelligent home, and other industries around the world. Continuous reform and innovation to satisfy customers is our lifelong pursuit.